I believe everyone can be successful in trading when applying first, simple strategies, second, money management rules, and most important, transformed mindset. So let me introduce myself. My name is Nikos. I'm trading for over 20 years. I'm founder of the Spartan system and of course Nikos Trading Academy. Now I have a way too big house, a nice big swimming pool. I have 2 loving kids, a great wife, and I can do and buy whatever I want without thinking about this. First of all, I have to tell you I was a musician, a music teacher. I was working as a musician at night, so I didn't have much sleep. I was sleeping like maybe 2-3 hours a day for many, many years. At some point I said, okay, no, I have to change something. So I thought like trading, especially Forex trading, would give me a solution to just make actually money, and I thought I can make it quickly. Without the experience, the knowledge and the skills, you'll just lose everything you have. Most people experience that. Traders have is they think about, I want to have money now. I want to make the profits now. It's all about, having patience. The magic word in trading, patience. Italian, pazienza. Ipomoni. In German, Geduld. How do we say patience in French? Okay, we're going to Google it. It's a science now. It became science today. Patience. Now find it in Swahili. I mean, I didn't make much money, but I saved some. And it took me forever to save that amount, and I put it into a trading account, and I lost it, I think, in a week. It was really hard for me because I lost not only my money, I lost my confidence, I lost the faith, I didn't know where to start, I paid for courses, I traveled all over the world. People have to understand that taking vacations or going on vacation is really essential part of life. Because I'm relaxed, the swing trade works out. And I come back from vacation and usually I'm in profits. So I make actually money while I'm on vacation. It doesn't work all the time or always, but if I'm relaxed and the market is helping a little bit, it works out most of the times. So it took me about 5 years to understand what I had to do to change my circumstances. How to get from losing all the time to stop losing and then starting to make profits. The second I understood that I have to connect my mindset, my heart, and my belief, everything started working out. So I realized that my success was more important than my fear of loss or fear of failure. I don't want to lose. I don't want to go back where I was. But what happens is you stay focused on those negative things because you try to avoid that. And it's just how it works. So what you need to do, what every trader has to do, is to start focusing on what is important for them. The second you change the focus, the results in trading will change immediately. Everybody has the technology. All day long we are with a PC, laptop, smartphones, but we forget about simple things, the real thing. This is real. Look at this place, look up. Power and energy, just great. My mind, my visions, everything came to a point where I realized, okay, that's it from now on. I cannot change anymore and I will grow. I will make profits forever. The feeling of knowing exactly what to do in order to succeed was undescribable. We are not here just to exist and to survive. We are here to create, to grow, and to help others overcome their obstacles in life. And for me, it's trading. I'm here to help traders overcome their problems in trading and help them succeed. So how can we help you succeed in trading? We have 3 solutions for you, or 3 programs, and you can find them right below. And I'm sure if I can change my life, you can do as well. Why should anybody join our trading academy? Why? Because we are awesome, right?
Yes. Very good.